Introducing my latest dish, green beans with a Mountain of Panko. Not your usual green beans dish, that's for sure. With a creamy, cooling yogurt sauce, a bit of richness from tahini, and then an enormous mound of Parmesan panko. You're going to love how simple this is to make. Just trim your beans, then blanch in boiling water for just a couple of minutes. Drain, then rinse under the tap to stop them cooking further. There is no need to waste your precious ice. Save it for cocktails. Pat dry, then toss with olive oil, salt and pepper. For the crunchy topping, mix Parmesan, panko breadcrumbs, salt and olive oil. Then pan fry in a non-stick pan for about 5 minutes until golden. Doza, you're in a really dangerous position there. I don't want to step over you with a hot pan. Doza, out of the kitchen. Out. Doza. On the other side of the doza boundary, please. Come on, out. Next, the tahini yogurt sauce. Just mix yogurt, tahini, lemon, garlic and salt just until it's combined. Then microwave for just 20 seconds and whisk again for about 10 seconds and watch as the mixture becomes like softly whipped cream. To assemble, pile the beans on a plate, smother with that gorgeous tahini yogurt sauce, then pile the panko mountain on top. That creamy tahini sauce is just the best. It acts like a glue, so the panko clings to the beans and you get that amazing crunch in every single bite. Seriously, if all vegetable sides were this good, everybody would eat their greens. That is ridiculously good. Or mine.